Hey guys, welcome to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I come back with another video. This is HP laptop 15 model series. You can see the model 15-Ay002Nx model. So guys, today I'll show you how to replace the fan, CPU fan. First you have to remove the battery. Okay, have to remove all this screw here.
Please guys, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification. Thank you.
So guys, remove this CD drive, and you have also here to screw more. And now guys, you have to remove this sticker, this two plastic inside have to screw, have to remove this. And guys, now we will open the laptop case from this part. You need to install something like this. You can see from this silver color. So guys, you have to remove this part. And guys, here we go. Here is our part for fan. So you can see here have on screw. Two screw here, and remove this connection. You can see this fan working but giving too much noisy voice. So now we have a new fan. Guys, you can see the same fan, same size. So guys, this is the old fan, this is the new fan. So I connect this here and connect the jack. Okay, and make tight this screw. And guys, now bring that part and guys, now turn back the CD-ROM and turn back the screw. Guys, I have to turn back this plastic position and have to return back the battery. And guys, now this fan is working but no sound. So guys, this fan we have to change. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel. If you need this fan, we have only one piece more. If you want this model CPU fan, you can contact with me. So thank you guys, please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new video notification.